Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the Shoe Snob unboxing series, One Take Wonder videos. Here we are, back with something new, back with something you've never seen on my blog before, and back with something that I think many of you will find very intriguing. So, the brand I'm talking about today is named Michael Darren. Now, Michael Darren shoes have an interesting history. I don't know how readily available this information is, but I'm gonna go ahead and share it with you because I love passion stories. So Michael Darren was started by a gentleman. I don't know if he wants me to share his full name, so I will just let you know that on Instagram he has another account called MB Shoe Doc. And so MB is actually a doctor in real life, but who has a grave passion for shoes and decided to teach himself the art of patina. I guess he started getting into them and wanted to start changing the colors of them, and he's built quite a little nice name for himself in the social media realm, where many people send him shoes to get patinaed and to promote. And yes, and with this popularity of patina abilities, he decided to promote and create his own range of shoes based on his patinas. So it's kind of a cool story because, you know, he doesn't need to do this, but he enjoys it and he loves it, and that's what's beautiful. You know, when you truly love something, it makes it fun. It means that you're definitely gonna know that the person behind it is putting the passion into it, because this is a hobby that he really appreciates, as opposed to something he relies to make money from. Anyway, enough of that. Let's take a look at the shoes. First and foremost, a beautiful blue box, which I actually really like, because blue is my favorite color. Nice color. It's very sturdy. It looks very high quality. You got the details here on the front. I got a hole cut dress shoe in olive green patina, size US 6.5. Excuse me, UK 6.5, US 7.5. All right, let's take a look. Very nice packaging, printed paper, good quality, actually quite impressive. All right, this came with a little thank you card, which is very nice. I don't know if all pairs come with this. Full disclosure, Mike is thanking me for doing the video for him, which was my pleasure. All right, here we go. This is a little personal message, so I won't read it here, but nice little touch. Thank you card. Let's take a look at the shoes. I like the color choice of branding, so everything is blue. Again, my favorite color, it's navy. Here's one shoe. That shoe has a bag. Here's the other shoe in its own bag. All right. No goodies, but a nice separator. Again, this is smart packaging, keeps the shoes protected. Let's now talk about the shoes. All right, wow. So these come gleaming with a very nice shine and finish. Just give you guys all a little twirl there. And even interesting, in reality, which I'm going to touch on. All right, so Michael Darren shoes, a very beautiful hole cut in the olive green patina. All right, let's get into it. So Michael Darren shoes, I just had a quick glance at the website. Normally his shoes are around $349, but I see a lot of them are currently on sale. This one actually is on sale for $249. Now, Michael Darren shoes are not Goodyear welted, which is what I tend to focus on, as that is my preferred construction method. They are actually a Blake stitch shoe, naturally, because they are made out of Italy, and Italy is the king of Blake stitch shoes. So, $249, Blake stitch, but with what I like about this is you got a really nice solid sole there. That's not some flimsy Blake stitch that you can bend in half, which is what I hate, because for me, comfort is not in flexibility, but rather support. So this looks like a nice solid sole that is supportive, and it's not one of these super flimsy things. It's substantial, which I appreciate and I like. You can see that on the inside they got the full leather sock liner, which you tend to find in Blake shoes because there is a stitch on the insole. The sock liner covers that, so you're not feeling that stitch. The size UK 6.5, US 7.5. I briefly just tried it on right now. Fits traditionally like how most Italian shoes do, with kind of elongated last. It's the correct size. It's a little bit fuller in the forefoot, a little bit elongated, but I couldn't take another size down. So one thing I want to touch on is I love the sole. Again, you can see, I imagine that MB's favorite color is also blue, because you're getting a real nice blue theme here, and I love the richness of this blue sole. You can see the Blake stitch channel there. What is nice is this little detail of nails, although I'm not sure how much it actually does, because it's not really on the toe, but rather a couple centimeters down from the toe. So for me, it's mainly an aesthetic design. The logo is cool. You can tell it's like his signature. I like it. There's like a little bit of a hump in the waist, you know. For me, that was an attempt at a small fiddleback, which is, you know, a nice little detail there for those that like that feature. So the Michael Darren idea was to put into put into production his patinas. So he worked carefully with the factory with his patina style to thus translate those into a ready-to-wear product. Obviously, being that he's a doctor, he doesn't have time to patina every shoe himself, so he worked carefully with the production line to make it happen. In this whole cut model, you can really actually see the characteristics of the leather with the patina. So if you see these kind of black marks, in theory, those are stretch marks on the leather. But again, you're not dealing with $1,000 shoe. You're dealing with a more economic line price shoe that is utilizing all of the skin. But I actually think because he does patinas, it really adds to the character and depth of the patina, as opposed to just having a flat colored shoe, and these would stand out more. But this, you actually get to appreciate the natural characteristics of the leather, and it adds to the kind of antiqued look of the patina. Again, that won't be for everybody, but it's a reality when you're buying shoes at this price. So some may have flawless leather with nothing. Some may have leather that shows a bit of the natural creasing to the hide, which happens just like in our own bodies. And yeah, I think it plays well in this patina. I don't even think anybody would notice it that was looking at it. But yeah, you know, they do a great job of finishing on this shoe. I gotta say, the one thing about Italians is they are flawless with finishing. The soles are cut perfectly. There's nothing out of place. There's nothing wrong. There's no flaws in reality. They are just clean. And that's a lot of what you pay for when you buy Italian shoes, is you pay for flawless finishing. So you can just see, you know, it's got a nice heel stack, proper heel, at least an inch. Heels smaller than that, it's just not my thing. They're a little too small. So yeah, Michael Darren, for those of you that don't mind a Blake Stitch shoe, I think it's a great option. When you think that Ferragamo and Santoni are charging $700 for Blake Stitch, for me it's a no-brainer. I'd rather buy 3 of these without question, because those shoes are not 3 times as quality, not even close. To be honest, they're probably the same quality. The lining leather is good. All right, well, let me go a little bit further. Santoni makes great shoes. Ferragamo, not so much. But yeah, I tried them on. They felt substantial. They felt sturdy. Not like typical Blake shoes that feel like nothing's on your feet. I think he's got a cool idea here. It's a simple, straightforward patina ready to wear shoes, which is great for those who love patina. He has several variations of color, and right now I think most of the shoes are $100 off, so it's a great time to actually get into the brand and check it out if you like that type of look idea, if you like hole cuts. The only thing I'm not crazy about is this big toe turn up here. I don't know if you can see this. Again, this happens on Blake Stitch shoes. This happens with a lot of Italian laughs, to be honest, but hopefully over time that will go down. It's just also, if you put a nice pair of shoe trees in there that kept them straight, that would sort itself out. But yeah, I'll be curious to see how these wear. Again, normally I don't wear Blake Stitch shoes, but these did feel substantial. The reason I don't wear them is they hurt my feet. I need something supportive on the bottom. Probably all those years playing soccer, destroying my feet with those cleats. So now I need something that's robust on the bottom, and these look and feel robust, which is great. And again, at $249, it's a pretty good deal. So do check it out. Check out MB Shoe Doc's Instagram page as well. Also Michael Darren's Instagram as well. You get to see the cool things that MB is doing, as well as support his brand. I think that at $249, it's a great value for money. Even at $349, personally, I wouldn't buy Blake Stitch shoes because it's just not my thing. But I think that if you're comparing these to other Italian-made Blake Stitch shoes that are definitely of comparable quality, these are a steal, because again, other Blake Stitch shoes made in Italy with brands that are known are double the price, but they are not double the quality. So take a look, some very cool patinas. The reason I chose olive green is I have nothing like this in my collection, and I think it's a pretty cool color. Especially, some people might think this is more of an autumn color, but I actually think this will pair nicely in the summer season. I actually have a nice olive suit that I think would be pretty cool. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this. I hope you are enjoying seeing new things. I'm trying to diversify what I talk about and not just be doing the same old things, because again, there's a lot of brands out there and there's a lot of great ideas, a lot of good makes, and getting anybody out of crappy shoes and into decent shoes is my goal. So check out Michael Darren if you like patina stuff. Stay tuned for a lot more. Like a lot of things new, a lot of things different coming, things you'd never expect to see from me. But again, trying to branch out and really grow this shoe industry that I care about, and hopes that that we all start supporting small, passionate makers, whether they're doing G&G quality or $250 quality. Again, I'd rather support somebody that is making a good product that they're passionate about than a large corporation making crap and tricking you with a price point that doesn't match the value and the quality. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. That's what keeps this going. And yeah, I wish you all a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.